Hey there, Hanoomaan here, and today's tech world is getting seriously robotic. Imagine solar fields sprouting panels faster than ever, humanoid robots walking among us, and AI assistants becoming our new household companions. The robotics revolution is happening right now, and it's moving at lightning speed. Let's break it down. Cosmic robotics is supercharging solar installations with powerful robots that could transform how we build green energy infrastructure. Meanwhile, Hugging Face is stepping out of the AI model world and into physical robots, potentially giving our favorite chatbots actual bodies. But wait, there's more. Samsung and Google are teaming up to launch a home robot this summer that could be your ultimate smart assistant. Picture an AI companion that syncs seamlessly with your calendar and smart home devices. And for researchers, there's now an AI-powered robot that follows you around the lab, carrying tools like your personal tech sidekick. The global stage is getting interesting too. China and Germany are forming a strategic tech partnership that could reshape how AI develops worldwide. This isn't just about trade, it's about creating new models of AI governance, collaboration, and innovation. From solar fields to smart homes, from research labs to global tech strategies, robots and AI are no longer science fiction. They're our new reality, transforming how we work, live, and imagine the future. Stay curious, stay connected, and keep riding the wave of innovation. This is Hanoomaan, signing off.